Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a custom template for LumaBooth using Canva. Whether you're running a photo booth business or just want to level up your next party with some amazing photo keepsakes, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create beautiful, personalized templates ready to use in your LumaBooth software. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. So let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to start by heading to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, it's a super user-friendly graphic design tool that works right in your web browser, and it's perfect for building professional-looking templates without any complicated software. Just head over to Canva.com and log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're all set up, look for the Create button, usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click. Now, instead of choosing one of Canva's pre-made sizes, we're going to select Custom Size. This is important because LumaBooth templates often work best with specific dimensions. Go ahead and enter 1000 by 1000 pixels. If pixels aren't selected, just switch to pixels. This will make sure your template shows up crisp and clear in the photo booth program. Hit Create New Design and you'll find yourself in Canva's editing workspace. Next, let's bring your template to life with some shapes. On the left toolbar, find the Shapes section. It might say Elements, and choose something simple like a square or a circle. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it however you like. Here's a tip: changing up the shape's color can make your template feel a lot more personal. Just click on the shape and use the color picker in the top menu to try out different shades. When you're happy, right-click and duplicate that shape 3 times. This duplication step is great for creating a balanced layout, for example, framing each corner or making placeholders for photos in your template. Don't hesitate to experiment. You can always move, resize, or recolor each shape to fit your design vision. Now it's time to add a little flair by going to Elements. This section is packed with decorative graphics. Think flowers, lines, confetti, or anything else that matches your event's vibe. Drag in a few elements and arrange them around your shapes. Just remember, less is often more. You want the focus to stay on your guests' photos. If you're unsure which elements to choose, think about the style of your event: elegant borders for a wedding, fun doodles for a birthday, and so on. Let's not forget the text. Click on the text tool and type in whatever you'd like, maybe the event name, date, or a catchy hashtag for the night. You can change the font style, size, and color to really match it to your theme. Try to keep it big and readable. After all, you want your words to stand out in the photos. Once you're completely happy with the design, and you've double-checked that everything is spelled right and lined up the way you want, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button up at the top right and then select Download. Here's an important part: make sure you choose PDF Print as your file type. This format keeps your design sharp and the colors accurate when it's loaded into LumaBooth. And that's all there is to it. You now have a beautiful custom template ready to make every photo booth moment even more special. If any step felt tricky, don't worry, you can pause, go back, and tweak your design as many times as you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more Canva designs for photo booths. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.